Hello and thanks for watching. My name is Rich Tehrani. You're in the TMC newsroom today, coming to you from the Cloud Expo, which is in Manhattan at the Jacob Javits Center. And today on our program, we've got Pete Malcolm, who's with Abiquo. He is the CEO, and we're thrilled to have him on the program. How are you, Pete?
I'm very good, thanks. I'm delighted to have finally made it. I had quite a journey.
So tell me a little bit about that journey, because your business card says you came from the UK, and the last I checked, there are, I think, millions of tons of volcanic ash in the atmosphere.
There certainly are, and I was scheduled to come out from London last Thursday, and no flights have been leaving the UK for I think nearly a week now. So my journey was long and involved a ferry journey to France, an 11-hour drive across France, all the way through to Madrid in Spain, and I finally just got out of Madrid in Spain before the ash cloud closed down Madrid too.
Well, that's pretty amazing that you were able to just stay one step ahead of the ash. Congratulations.
I really didn't believe I was going to do it.
And I guess you'll probably be joining us in New York for the next few weeks because you can't get back now, right?
I think I've half the duration.
So, well, welcome to New York. I hope you're enjoying it. While you're here, maybe you could tell us a little bit about your company, please.
So Abiquo is a cloud management solution company, and we think we've got a revolutionary new approach to cloud management that solves a whole bunch of issues that the industry's been suffering from.
What sorts of issues?
Well, in if we can call it the virtualization 1.0 world, a lot of the promises of virtualization haven't actually been fulfilled. And this is largely because of management issues surrounding virtualization. A lot of enterprises are suffering from a virtualization sprawl, where you've got a huge number of virtualized machines, and they're having a real hard time keeping their arms around it. And our product allows a kind of paradigm shift in the way that IT organizations manage their virtual infrastructure, and allows them to delegate that to people who are nearer the coalface of the applications that are running, and that really eases the problem.
So is it a GUI-based system? How does it work exactly?
So there are kind of three cornerstones to the solution. One is about a separation between the physical infrastructure, and the IT organization continues to focus on providing resources to that resource cloud, as we call it. And it's separated from the consumers who actually consume those resources. As I say, the separation allows you to delegate the power to create the virtual machines, to manage virtual machines, down to the people that are actually using them, instead of having to have it all done by the IT infrastructure group. And that really reduces a lot of the congestion and management problems that we've got now. And it is a paradigm shift in the way that the thing operates.
But physically, in terms, or at least interface-wise, what do the people that are using the system see?
So we have a very graphical user interface that allows you to deploy machines with a simple drag and drop operation, and it even allows you to convert between different hypervisor types, so it eliminates the vendor lock-in problems that a lot of companies experience too.
So you're sitting in between then the hypervisor and the hardware? Is that how it works?
No, we're actually sitting above the hypervisor, and we're kind of controlling the hypervisors on behalf of the organization, and putting a management layer in between or above the hypervisors, so that we can provide all the functionality.
Oh, very interesting. And you recently got some funding, right?
Yeah, the company really has been in a kind of semi-stealth mode for a while. We had excellent technology developed by our R&D group, but really we've just raised the funding to turn the company into a real software company, with a go-to-market organization and offices in 3 countries and that kind of stuff.
Which countries?
So the R&D organization is based in Spain. We have a sales and support office in London, and new global headquarters in Redwood City, California, right next to Oracle.
Great. And what sorts of new things do you have coming out?
We've got a bunch of new things, but I think one of the most exciting things we've announced at the show is a new virtual machine image exchange called Thunderflash. And that's a one-stop shop for anyone to be able to go and find and download virtual images directly from the site without having to go through complex registration processes or broken links or that kind of stuff. We've got all the images you need right there, and we've got 1,000 images already, and more being added all the time.
And how specifically are companies utilizing that exchange?
Well, the idea is that you've got one place to go to get your machine images. Right now, there are vendors that have directories, but they tend to only work for one particular hypervisor type. And along with our theme of being vendor agnostic and hypervisor agnostic, we've decided to create one place where you can go. No matter what hypervisor it is you want your image for, we've got it, it's there, and it's available for immediate download.
It's pretty exciting. So obviously you're trying to take over the world, right? You've come out of stealth mode. You're excited. What can we expect in the future? What are some of the plans that you've got?
Well, we've got some plans for new technology coming out in our next release in the summer, but we really try to focus on what the organizations, what our customers really need. We're not about producing, the next fancy technology buzzword. We really concentrate on solutions, and so, we've got some interesting ideas and products coming up that really address some of the other issues that companies have around capacity planning and all those sorts of things. So we're going to be excited to talk about those in the summer.
Well, please keep us posted, and good luck with the new company, the new venture, and coming out of stealth.
Great. Thanks very much.